Some yachts are built for speed, others are built for living. The Pershing GTX116 was built for both. Let me show you why this might be the one you've been looking for. Picture your Saturday. You leave the dock at 8. By 10:30, you're anchored in Bimini. The transom open, coffee in hand, water so clear you can watch the fish from the foredeck. By noon, the beach club is deployed. The transformer platform is at water level. Your guests are in the sea, your crew is setting up lunch aft, and the only sound is the hum of the tender circling the bay. This is the life the GTX116 was designed for. 115 feet built around the idea that you don't choose between performance and space, you carry both. 10 guests in 5 private staterooms, a cockpit that transforms into a waterfront lounge the moment the engines go quiet. And when Monday morning calls, 35 knots gets you home before noon. The full beam owner's suite sits amidships, the quietest, most private berth on a vessel that somehow still runs like a Pershing. In a class with the Sunseeker 120 and the Riva 130, the GTX116 stands apart because it drives like a sport boat and lives like a super yacht, both things on the same weekend. The GTX116, built for the life where fast mornings and slow afternoons are the same conversation. Full specs at yachtspecsdirect.com.
For additional information, please feel free to email me at ts@mintedyachts.com. Also, feel free to text me at 404-805-9819.